Welcome to the definitive 12-month roadmap for mastering data and business analytics in 2027. The 2027 market demands more than just reporting. You need to move from a technician to a strategist who manages AI systems. Forget the T-shaped model. Today's analysts need deep expertise across multiple pillars: SQL, Python, AI, and industry domain knowledge. We've broken this down into 6 clear phases over 1 year to build your ultimate career momentum. Month 1 is about statistics. Understanding the math behind the patterns is your first weapon. Descriptive and inferential statistics are non-negotiable. Month 1 is dedicated to statistics. Mastery includes mean, variance, and the power of correlation. You need to understand variance, standard deviation, and correlation to spot anomalies that AI might overlook. Master the 4 types of analytics. Know when to tell them what happened versus recommending what they should do next. Logic is more important than syntax. 2027 is about thinking in data and knowing exactly which questions to ask. In month 2, focus on advanced Excel. Master pivot tables and spreadsheet automation to handle ad hoc reports in seconds. Pivot tables are the fastest way to slice information. Master them until you can build a summary dashboard in 5 minutes. You need XLOOKUP and dynamic arrays. These are your bread and butter formulas for modern spreadsheet work. Integrate modern AI add-ins. Automation is the goal. Build reports that update themselves so you can focus on the analysis. Excel remains the prototyping king. It's where you test your logic before moving your projects into more complex environments. Move from the chaos of unstructured data to the clarity of architecture. This is the foundation. By the end of phase 1, you are certified in the foundations. You speak the language of data fluently. Phase 2 covers months 3 and 4. This is relational databases and modern SQL, the center of gravity. In month 3, master SQL fundamentals. It's how you talk to servers to get exactly what you need from the source. Learn joins and common table expressions until they are second nature. This is where you connect the dots of a business. Move into advanced syntax. Window functions like rank and lead allow you to perform complex calculations directly in your query. Month 4 is about cloud data warehousing. Learn to navigate platforms like Snowflake, BigQuery, or Amazon Redshift. Master dbt for managing your transformation layer. In 2027, knowing the T in ELT is essential for any serious analyst. Understand the architecture of the modern data stack. Know how information flows from the app to the analytical layer. SQL allows you to reach into massive databases and filter through millions of rows with surgical precision. It is the language of the enterprise. This isn't about small datasets anymore. This is about scalability. You are building systems that can handle the data needs of global companies. By month 4, you can extract, transform, and clean messy data across millions of rows at high speed. You are now a technical builder. The 2027 market demands more than just reporting. You need to move from a technician to a strategist who manages AI systems. The cloud is your playground. Whether it's AWS or Azure, you now have the keys to the kingdom. Understand how relational tables connect to tell a complete end-to-end story of a business. Learn to speak directly to the data source. SQL is the bridge between you and the enterprise signal. Master modularity. Common table expressions make your code readable, maintainable, and pro-level. Build data quality checks directly into your workflows. Trust is the most valuable currency in 2027. Documentation is part of the job. Build schemas that are as clear to your team as they are to you. Python makes you scalable. You are no longer limited by hours. You are limited only by logic. Pandas allows you to manipulate millions of rows that would crash any spreadsheet in seconds. NumPy is the engine for complex math. It makes large-scale numerical analysis fast and efficient. By month 6, you can mold data at will using the world's most powerful programming language. 6 months in, you have the technical stack. Now we move into the art of visualization. Phase 4. Phase 3 spans months 5 and 6. This is the programming Swiss Army knife, Python. Month 7 is for platform mastery. Pick one, Power BI or Tableau. Both are 2027 standards. Clarity is your new metric. If a dashboard takes 10 seconds to understand, it's too complex. Visualization is the final mile. This is where your technical work becomes visible and impactful. By month 8, you are the bridge. You translate technical findings into strategic business action. Lead with the insight, don't hide the headline. Tell them the truth as soon as they look. Month 8 complete. You have the technical and visual stack. Now we future-proof your career. Phase 5. Month 9 deep dive. Master regression models to predict continuous numerical outcomes for the business. Ethics are non-negotiable. You are the guardian of data, truth, and privacy in the age of AI. Strategic. You've mastered the edge. Now it's time for the final phase, domain specialization and career launch. Phase 5 complete. You are at the absolute cutting edge. Now we launch your career. Phase 6. By the end of the year, you are a strategic partner ready to thrive and lead in the 2027 economy. Pro.